There is a menu correction, okay? We will now be serving bologna sandwiches.
Bless you, Scooter.
Yeah, but no bread.
It also makes me sneeze like crazy. Hi guys, I'm here to play rock hockey.
Oh, stand back! Give her air! Get back! Give her air! I'm here with the first aid. Although there's probably no hope for her.
I think we'll hurt.
Well, there may be some hope for her.
I can cross my eyes.
Well, maybe she's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, Rizzo. But no bread.